It's Matt with WorkAnywhere.Life, where you can build a life of total freedom. I said that to somebody recently and said, what do you mean by that? Yeah, it sounds a little sketchy to me. It's really not a big deal. How do you have total freedom? Well, the poor people spend money. The average person saves money. Rich people invest money. And then the truly wealthy use other people's money to create passive income. Right? That's what I teach people to do. And that's how you build a life of total freedom. It's passive income. What is passive income? That's when you have an investment of some sort that makes money for you, whether you work or not. Right? And that's really important to understand. So you can do that in a lot of ways. You can get smart at investing in the Bitcoin or the stock market or something like that. You can buy rental properties, which are going to pay you a check every month for rent. I do a little bit of all of that, but my main thing is this travel opportunity that I have. So, Matt, how do you make money by traveling? So there are a couple of pieces to this. The first one is, do you have any friends who like to travel? Do you like to travel, right? Do you have any friends who like to travel? Most people would say, well, yeah, I know people who go on a vacation once or twice a year. If you were to show them a way to save money on their travel, would they be interested? Of course they would. But do I have to sell them anything? No, you show them a 10-minute video. This is just as simple as it gets. I become a member of this travel club. Right? So I pay a fee to become a member. Oh, well, that's not getting paid, that's paying. Right, yeah, okay, good. When I show it to 6 friends and they become members, well, then my fee is refunded. My membership fee every month is canceled, and I have now earned all of my investment back, which is small. It's small change. Then, if I find 10 people who might be interested in becoming members, well, now I'm getting paid to travel, right? Now, most people don't want to quit their day job. I haven't had a day job in so long, I don't remember what it was like. Because I work from home, my schedule is under my control, not somebody else. I don't need to ask when I need a vacation. For the average American vacations once, twice, maybe 3 times a year if they're lucky. Well, what if one of those was free? And what if the others were so cheap that you could do it more often? And then what if you got to a point where you got paid enough that you could quit your day job if you wanted to, or work because you enjoy it? I have a friend who's a nurse. She made so much money in the travel industry that she could quit her nursing job, but she doesn't want to. She wants to vacation 6 times a year, don't get me wrong, every other month. But now she can tell her boss, I don't have to work here. I do it because I like it, because I love the job. I will stay, but these are my requirements. These are the days and times I want to work. This is how often I'm going to take off for vacation. And if that's acceptable for you, then I'm still here. Wouldn't that be sweet if you could do that with your job? You stay in it because you enjoy it, but you make the demands, you're not asking for permission. In a couple of minutes, it's really simple. Become a member, invite 6 friends, now you're free. Find 10, now you're getting paid. And it snowballs from there to the point where you can make that, your full-time passive income. Talk with me for more.